Hello to the one or two people watching this. Welcome back to the second episode of working on Miata. Turns out I have to do a little bit more welding than I thought I had to do. I need to practice before I do that and warm up and all that, so let's get to it. Now that I'm done practicing, I'm gonna go weld on the Miata, so see you after I'm done with that. Okay, so I'm done welding. This video is gonna continue tomorrow, so see you then. Okay, and it's tomorrow, so no need for explanation. Let's get to work. Okay, and before we get to work, I need to tell you a little something that happened. So, my grandpa and I went around poking at the welds that he grinded down, and there seemed to be some not so strong spots, so I'm gonna have to weld over those, and then he's gonna grind those down, and it's gonna be like this, almost perfect. And down here, you probably can't, no, you can't see it. I need to weld down there because it was the same problem right here. So let's get to it. Now that I'm done welding, at least I think I'm done welding, I'm gonna start grinding, so let's get to that. Anyways, that was the end of the video. I'm ending it right here because I got really tired, and the video editing software I edit on is probably not going to be able to handle the length of this video. So anyways, click right here for another video, click right here for the last episode, and click right here to subscribe. So, see you next time.
Yes, I'm a simp. Sniper Monkey.